Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Subaru BRZ front bumper. First, turn your steering wheel completely to one side. This gives you easier access to the wheel well. Next, locate and remove the 3 to 4 plastic clips securing the fender splash guard on each side. After that, gently pry out the side marker lights from both the passenger and driver sides. Take your time with these to avoid any damage. Now, let's move to the underside of the car. You'll find about 7 plastic clips securing the bumper to the under panels. Remove all of these. Also, look for 2 10mm bolts under the bumper, one on each side, and take those out. Finally, shift your attention to the top of the bumper. Here, you'll need to remove 5 10mm bolts and a couple of additional clips that hold the top section in place. With the main fasteners removed, there's a crucial hidden plastic clip located just above where each side marker was. Make sure to remove these to fully free the bumper's corners. Once those are out, firmly pull the bumper outwards from each corner. You'll hear it pop free from its mounting points. Before completely pulling the bumper away, remember to disconnect the electrical plugs for the fog lights and turn signals on both sides. To reinstall your Subaru BRZ front bumper, simply reverse the steps we just covered. Make sure all electrical connections for your fog lights and turn signals are securely plugged back in. Carefully align the bumper and reattach all the clips and 10mm bolts, ensuring everything is snug and secure. Double-check all mounting points to prevent any rattling or misalignment. And hey, while you're working on your car, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.